Cool Touch contact grills are the perfect kitchen appliance for those looking to cook up delicious meals with ease. There are many products available to choose Cool Touch contact grills, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Cool Touch contact grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Aroma Housewares ASP 137B Grillit 3QT. The Aroma Grillit 3QT is a versatile 3-in-1 cooking pot that can grill, simmer, and stew, making meal preparation effortless. With its portable and compact design, you can enjoy great grilled flavor right on your kitchen counter without the need for charcoal or propane. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor the cooking process while minimizing spills and splatters. You have the freedom to adjust the temperature from 300 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for grilling meats and veggies at high temperatures or cooking pot roasts low and slow. The non-stick grill surface ensures easy food release, and the raised grill design allows excess fat to drip away, resulting in healthier meals. Cleaning up is a breeze as all cooking surfaces are non-stick and dishwasher safe. Number 2. Granite Stone Indoor Electric Smoke. The Granite Stone Smokeless Grill is a contact grill that features a diamond-infused non-stick cooking surface, an adjustable temperature dial with 4 settings, cool-to-touch handles, and a portable design. The diamond-infused non-stick cooking surface ensures a super non-stick cooking experience and adds distinctive grill marks to meat, fish, or poultry. The adjustable temperature dial with 4 settings allows you to meet your cooking needs, from heating food to grilling steak. The cool-to-touch handles never get hot during cooking, ensuring safety and convenience. The portable design makes it easy to put together, pull apart for space-saving storage, and the non-electrical parts are dishwasher safe. Number 3. Elite Gourmet EMG 1111-inch Electric Indoor Non-Stick Grill. Enjoy the fun of an outdoor barbecue in the comfort of your home with Elite Gourmet Indoor Grill. With an 11-inch grilling surface and non-stick coating, you can cook steaks, veggies, ribs, or salmon to perfection. The circular heating element heats up faster and more evenly, allowing you to enjoy low-fat, healthy meals. The fat will drip away from your food through the grilling channels, and the Cool Touch base and handles help prevent nasty burns. Cleaning is hassle-free with dishwasher-safe parts. Elite Gourmet Indoor Grill comes with a limited 1-year warranty and a recipe guide. Number 4. Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill. The Beantex Smokeless Grill offers a hassle-free way to enjoy indoor barbecues without the smoke and mess of traditional grilling. Its non-stick surface is large enough for about 8 people, making it perfect for gatherings. You can easily clean it since both the grilling grate and water tray are removable and dishwasher safe. Safety is a priority with features like an auto shutoff to prevent overheating and cool touch handles to avoid burns. With adjustable temperature settings, you can cook everything from steaks to vegetables to perfection, ensuring delicious meals every time. Number 5. Electric Portable Smokeless Grill. The Spica Smokeless Grill is perfect for indoor or outdoor cooking, thanks to its compact size and easy portability. With dimensions of 17.7 inches by 12.6 inches, it fits comfortably in any space, making it ideal for camping or small kitchens. Cleaning is a breeze because of its non-stick surface, allowing you to wipe it down easily or toss it in the dishwasher. You can also enjoy customized cooking with its adjustable temperature settings, giving you control over your grilling experience. Plus, the practical design helps drain grease automatically, promoting healthier meals.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.